So that's negative. So she doesn't have a torn meniscus, because if she did, that would hurt a lot. Same thing over here. Any pain? Tell me if it's uncomfortable or if it reproduces knee pain. And it would have been positive there, but it's not. Would have been positive there, but it's not. So she doesn't have meniscus damage. And then if we do something like this, and we'll know like that it might be a little tender just in the joint, but again, the semimembranosus or tendinosis, so forgive me anatomy students, whichever one it is, when it crosses through here and it inserts on the tibia, this can get very tender. So again, this doesn't indicate anything of a meniscus. That's tendinitis. Tendinitis is an overuse injury. When overuse injuries don't get corrected, they get so tight years later that they create osteophytes. Osteophytes are interpreted as osteoarthritis, but it's not osteoarthritis. It's right there. See, this is like a runner's knee. See, she's flinching, and I'm grabbing it very lightly, and that's the hamstring group inserting on the lateral aspect of the tibia, and that needs to get worked out. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to start, and I'm going to strip this out here, strip those out there, do the same patella stretching that we did last time, and getting under the kneecap in here on the quadricep group, and then we'll get into the Bunion Protocol. So.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Is that my ankle?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's a medial talus. There's a little bit there too. Cuboid. All right.
Ointment?
Muscle rub.
Mm.
And we got to prep the joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Feel the difference?
Yeah.
So now this is open. Phalange, metatarsal, the end of the metatarsal. We go from medial to lateral, just like this. There we go. So it's a lot less rigid just from doing that and setting this first metatarsal down like so. There it is. That one's set right in. Okay, left foot.